In this series so far, we've seen how PhixFlow can use AI to automatically capture the sentiment of an email and categorise it. We also saw just how easy this was to configure. Now let's look at the human in the loop. What happens if we want to amend the work of the AI? This is where screens come in. Let's walk through the process. The sentiment captured in this email is not correct. We'll create a screen that allows the user to make the correction. We'll start by using the wizard to walk us through the setup process. Here I'll create a new screen, provide it a name, and I select from one of the many templates available with the product. Here I'll choose our edit form and create the screen. This then creates the associated actions, which we can then add to the button. And now we'll lock the screen and we'll click our edit button in order to see our new screen that we just created. Now I'll add in the attributes that I want to be able to edit. So I'll add in the case ID so we can reassign the case, and I'll also add the sentiment ID as well so we can change that. I think it'd also be useful if we have the case title to give us a little bit more detail about the case that we're reassigning to. I'll update the screen header and I'll add some section dividers in, and our screen will look like this. Now I want to just change the layout so that it appears on the right hand side, so here I'll set the width to 350 pixels and make it full height, and this will allow us to see the email content while we're doing our editing. I'll use another PhixFlow wizard in order to create our actions for our screen. Here I'll add a save and delete action to our buttons. That just leaves me to close all the open windows, switch to application mode and test out our new screen. Here we can see we've got a nice drop down for our sentiment. It's also possible to change the case if we want to, and here we can see that we get the case ID along with some details about its title. So we make the relevant changes, save those, and we can see that appear in the grid. To find out more, visit PhixFlow.com and book a demo with one of our team.